Welcome back, meditators. It's day 7, and we are halfway through our journey. Today, we will embark on a journey that brings together everything we have explored over the past days. We will continue practicing Shamatha meditation. Sometimes it's called calm abiding or concentration meditation. This practice is all about cultivating stillness and stability in our mind and in our lives. So if this is your first day, I will recommend starting from day 1. Now find your most comfortable position, either sitting on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or cross-legged on a cushion. Rest your hands gently on your knees or in your lap. Keep your back upright, but not uptight, and let your shoulders relax. Gently close your eyes and bring your awareness inward. Let's begin by setting a personal intention. This intention will be your guiding light throughout the meditation. Perhaps it's to find inner peace, to deepen your mindfulness, or simply to take a moment for yourself. Whatever it is, hold it in your heart as we proceed. Now, bring your awareness to the sounds in your environment. Whether it's the hum of a fan, distant traffic, or the sound of your own breath, observe these sounds without judgment. Let them come and go like passing clouds in the sky. If you find your mind is drifting, simply relax, release the distraction, and return your focus to the sounds. Notice the silence between the sounds. This silence is just as important as the sounds themselves. Now, gently shift your awareness back to your body. Feel your body supported by the ground beneath you. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head and quickly scan down through your forehead, your eyes, your jaw, your neck, and your shoulders. Notice any sensations, warmth, relaxation, tightness, or stillness, and observe them without judgment. Continue this body scan, moving down through your chest, your back, your arms, stomach, your legs and feet. Feel the connection between your body and the earth, and allow yourself to be fully present in the moment. You might be feeling more sensations in your body. Perhaps you feel a tingling in your fingers, tightness in the muscles in your body, or a sense of relaxation in your legs. Let these sensations come and go like waves in the ocean. And if your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the sensations you're feeling. Next, turn your awareness to your inner speech, the thoughts and words that arise in your mind. Observe them without judgment, just as you did with the sounds and sensations. Notice how this inner voice influences your experience. Then shift your focus to the silence that follows each thought. Embrace the stillness and clarity that comes with this silence. If you find yourself getting lost in the stories your mind creates, gently guide your awareness back to the present. Finally, bring your awareness to your thoughts. Just as we observed the sounds and sensations, now we observe the flow of thoughts in the mind. Label them if it helps: thoughts about the past, present, or future, or maybe thinking, planning, worrying, etc. But don't get caught up in them. Let your thoughts drift by like leaves on a river. If you notice yourself getting carried away by a thought, gently bring your awareness back to the breath. Stay here for a few moments, simply observing the mind without attachment. Before we close this practice, take a moment to reflect on the little wins you experienced during this practice. You've done an incredible job today. By integrating everything, you've started to cultivate a deep sense of calm, presence, and a stable mind. With practice, this mindfulness will grow stronger. When you're ready, take one more mindful breath and gently open your eyes as you exhale. Thank you for joining me today. Tomorrow, we'll continue to deepen this practice, and I cannot wait to meditate and keep exploring this reality with you.